right now, trying to take apart this watch that I got when I was 6 years old. This is the other part right here. Alright, look on the screwdriver. Let's get to work. Let me do this one. It has one more screw. Let's see. I got everything. Come on. It's moving. But this is hard. I can't take it out with my fingers. Hey, did I do it a little bit? No. But I took it out somewhere. I can't see. Did you see that? Bad camera vision. There's screw. There's screw right there. That's it. Come on. No, screw it back in. Come on up. Come on. You can do it! You can do it! Man, why is this so... Man, this is very complicated. I cut it out a little bit. I don't think on the screen. This is hard. Hey, got my screwdriver. I'm about to just rip it out. Forget it. I ripped out everything. Down. Alright. So. Well, this is cool. Look at that. I'm trying to take the, there it is. Sorry if you catch me looking out the window. I'm about to go to Walmart with my mom.
2 more DNA results are in.
Man, this is horribly sharp. With a blade. Oh look, there go the lights. And I think that's a battery. Look, you see it? It looks like a bug.
If so, call the Maury Show at 1-888-45-MAURY. That's 1-888-45-MAURY.
Look, they look like little eyeballs. Right here at the bottom, you see it? I'm looking at you. Is there anything else I could take apart on here? Let's just rip off the cords. Ah! Oh, that hurt. Alright, let's get back to work. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, this is the part I used to press down.
Before starting, you should be tested for tuberculosis. An increased risk of infections and lower ability to fight them may occur. Tell your doctor if you have an infection or symptoms.
Where's the other part at? We got this other part right here. It's just one screw. Alright, here we go. No, it's 2 screws. 3 screws. You see that? You gotta go fast because time's about to run out. Come on. Try not to run out of time. Come on. Come on.
I am single. How do you meet women usually? Through friends, at parties, and how those women.
Come on. Gotta beat it.
Single. Are you on Match? I'm not on Match. Let me show you the app. So check out the profile to read a little bit more about it.
I can beat it.
See that right there?
Yes.
Well traveled.
Yeah. Yeah. Like a boss. Like a boss. Oh man. Alright, I just cut through it. And I'm trying to get the battery out. And alright, it won't come out, but I unscrewed it. And thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe. And sorry about the music. Okay, bye bye. Don't pay attention to it, please. Thanks. Bye. Okay, bye bye.